by way of cosmic radiation within 24 hours of his arrival.
But I thought my kid was a pain in the ass.
Tony has come. This kid has an entire nuclear arsenal coursing through his veins.
With that kind of firepower, I don't know that there's a person on Earth who can stop it.
Hey, honey, you want to go to work with Dad?
I've heard the rumors, but even if they're true, the man we knew is long gone. And we have...
Should be able to trap him in the photon grid.
You cover the trap. I'll handle it.
Are you sure you do not want any backup?
Who the hell is that guy?
Is it really you?
Deposits of fat out of the back there and I render them into chicken oil that I use. Then you can even take the wings off as well. They just come off the breast really easily. Now
we usually get it broken down already.
Yeah, saves on time, but I think we've got a little bit of time here. You can even get the tenderloin of the chicken. You can actually just take that off there and then you've got...
Off the breast.
Yeah, you just pull that off there, so you got your breast and tenderloins there.
That's a really good question. I probably don't have a great answer for it.
Yeah.
But I guess as a consumer myself of food and
So you're a mum of three boys, busy schedule, running a business. Sweet for you. Brita, Kylie, Farah, thank you so much for joining me on the cook-up and sharing your delicious pie recipes. Pies, unlike almost any other meal, they're at home as much at the footy as they are in a fine dining restaurant. And if you ever ask the immortal schoolyard question of who ate all the pies, the answer is I ate all the pies.
Azul juga ngapain, juga ke Sepon, kita tentunya kita lihat ke Behel. Nah, terus
DNS-nya Azure. Itu kita perlu tes dulu sih.
Sebenarnya nanti pembandingnya yang sekarang www.telkom.id aja tuh mas. Sekarang kan 58 atau berapa itu kan.